magic pet?
It's going to be my magic pet. Eat my dust.
We have to get that pet before Winston. Yeah! Let's go! Come on,
Huh? This will slow you down.
Faster, Morphle! We're gaining on him!
I'm going to get a magic pet. Huh? Let's see how you cope with slime.
Morphle! Morph into a kite buggy!
Once you're mine, we rule Petport with my cleverness and your powers. Huh? You can teleport.
There she is! Aw, hello!
Give her to me.
Quick! Let's get back to Daddy!
I'm gonna get you.
We're almost home! We're stuck! Great work, Morphle! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh, hello. Who are you?
That pet's mine.
Sorry, Winston. You can only have a magic pet if you're their magic match.
Oh, I give up. This time.
Aww, every day's a magical day with a new magic pet. Jordan, Jenny, is our animal costume show super exciting or what? Totally. I'm super excited too.
Hey, kids. We're gonna get Aunt Augustine so she can watch the show with us.
Okay, Daddy. What animal are you going to be, Morphle? Morphle now. Morphle play too. Morphle? Okay, you can be in the show, but you have to choose a different animal. Morphle's already the lion. Oh, no. Orphle, bring the stage back. Daddy and Gianna will be back any minute with Aunt Augustine. Let's go! Yeah! Get after him, Morphle! There he is! How are we going to get our stage back? Oh, Morphle now! I bet you can't jump through a moving hoop, Orphle. Orphle can! See? Shrub Cup, don't let him get away! Stuck! Way to go, Shrub Cup! Now we've got to get the stage back to the Magic Pet Center. Morphle? Woohoo! Yeah! Alpha stage! Thanks, Morphle. But now what do we do? The juggle set's ruined.
Hello, kids. I can't wait to see your show.
Sorry, Aunt Augustine. We don't have a set.
No set, no show.
Wait! Shupka can make the jungle.
Awesome! Yay! Not again. Hey, why can't there be 2 lions in the show?
Well, I don't see why not. That was delicious.
Our first Thanksgiving together.
As one big happy family.
Yay!
Who's ready for dessert?
Ooh, I can't wait for your famous pumpkin pie, Mom. Just wait until you guys taste it. Oh, the yummiest pumpkin pie in the world. No, Telepup. This is for everyone.
Down, Telepup. Where they go? We gotta find them, quick! Let's go!
Get us down, Telepup. Calm down, Telepup.
Jordy! Telepup! Where are you?
Mila! Morphle! Up here!
Help! Morphle, morph into a helicopter.
Leave it alone, Telepup.
Telepup, the pie is for everyone. Come back to the Magic Pet Center so we can all have some. Let's keep searching, Morphle.
Telepup, stop being so naughty.
How are we going to catch a teleporting pup? Morphle, no idea. I know! Morphle, can you morph into a ball, please? A ball? Yeah, that's the only thing doggies love more than food. Oh, Telepup, look what I've got. When you get to the trees, morph into a net and catch Telepup. Okay, Mila. Jordy, quick, run back home.
What? Not again.
Oh, no.
Telepup, can you just go back to the Magic Pet Center?
Morphle, the pie!
Well, I'm thankful we can all be together.
And I'm thankful for my new mom and brother. And of course, you, Morphle. Morphle thankful for Mila and pie. Wow! It's Petport Cleanup Day!
Let's make our beautiful town even more beautiful.
Morphle clean! Bubble Bear, your bubbles are making Petport even prettier. Rainbow bubbles. What's happened?
His tail went in my paint.
Ah! Bubble Bear, stop! We're supposed to be cleaning up Petport.
Not making it messier.
We need to clean the paint off your tail.
We have to stop him before Petport becomes Paintport.
Do something, Morphle. Let's go!
The whole town is getting messed up.
Watch out! Morphle, spin your blades as fast as you can and blow the bubbles away.
What?
Huh?
We need to wash that paint off. But how? Motherfucking water!
Huh?
Put me down, please.
That's better.
Phew! Guys, we have to find Bubble Bear. There he is! Let's get him! Time to clean you up, Bubble Bear. Let's make the town cleaner than ever. Bye-bye, Piggy Snack Snack.
Wow, great job cleaning up the town.
Thanks, Daddy.
Actually, I prefer the fence with the paint splats.
Higher, Morphle, higher! Morphle? I think it's a new magic pet! This rainbow slide is my favorite thing in the whole world! After you, of course, Morphle. Morphle, there's a new magic pet! Huh? A hooting elephant? And penguin! I think the new magic pet hypnotizes everyone he looks at! We gotta stop him! Morphle, don't look into his eyes! Morphle, they're running away! Quick, morph into a horse! A flying horse? Even better!
Cake, prepare to be arrested inside my mouth. Huh? Ooh, animals on the loose? Not in my...
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We'll fix this. Whoa! We need to stop the wild animals. You're a genius, Morphle. We'll build a wall to block their way. April, we'll come back for these animals after we save that monkey. Love your sunglasses, by the way. Thanks. We need to stop that cheeky monkey. Wait for it. Gotcha. Oh no! April's hypnotized! No, I'm not. I was talking to a new friend. Woo! Your sunglasses! They protected you from getting hypnotized. Can I borrow them, please? Look! The animals are back to normal! I think you're just trying to make friends, not hypnotize anyone.
You know, as your new look as a Hoot, I think you should keep the sunglasses.
One final touch. Ta-da! Morphle, carving time! Our pumpkin looks awesome! Yeah!
Wow, great work, you two.
Thanks, Daddy. Oh, Gobble Frog, it's only a Halloween pumpkin. There's nothing to be scared of.
Hey, there's another one under the counter.
Don't forget.
I've got to go pick up Aunt Augustine. We'll see you at the pumpkin competition.
Okay, Daddy.
Pumpkin tiny.
Oh, no.
Welcome to the Halloween pumpkin competition.
Phew.
Your pumpkin's pathetic.
Not for long. Inkra, we need your help, please.
Greetings! I am the Pumpkin Prince, and Petport is now Pumpkinport.
That doesn't sound good. Hey! Leave them alone! How are we going to stop him, Morphle?
Morphle knows.
Oh, yes! Time to clean up Petport!
Uh-oh. Let me go! My little pumpkin!
Don't worry, everyone! We'll help you!
Oh,
Where's the Pumpkin Prince?
Here I am! Catch!
Pumpkin too big.
You can't stop me!
Gobble Frog, I know you're scared, but we really need your help.
Oh, get off me, you silly frog!
Amy, now!
We don't have any pumpkins left for Halloween. Happy Halloween!
I'm so excited about our science project. Ooh, you know what would make it even better? Huh? Come on! Professor Pala, can we please borrow your time portal to get the one last thing we need for our science project?
Sure. I love seeing kids so interested in science. Be safe.
Okay, we need something that will make our diorama look perfect. Huh? How about a rock? That's perfect, Jordy. Morphle, morph into a truck that can carry it home with us.
Okay, Mila.
Woohoo! Yeah! Now let's get to the science fair. Huh? A T-Rex? There's only one thing that can stop a T-Rex. An even bigger T-Rex. Yes! I know! Morphle, morph into a tiny T-Rex. It might think you're its baby.
Mama.
Whoa! It's not a rock. It's a dinosaur egg. No wonder that T-Rex followed us. We accidentally took one of her eggs. Sorry, Mrs. T-Rex. That gives me an idea. Morphle, see if the baby dinosaur will follow you back to the portal. Go, Morphle! Bye! Yeah, we did it! Quick, to the science fair! Welcome to our prehistoric jungle.
Oh, I love it.
Yay! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Now, Mila, you're not well, so you stay at home and rest.
Mila's sick?
Yes, Morphle. I have to go into town to pick up some medicine, so you have to make sure Mila doesn't get into any trouble.
But I feel fine.
Down, boy. Get down!
I wonder what's going on.
But Daddy say...
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
Okay.
Huh? How did Barky get up there?
He was chasing a cat. Can you help him get down, Mila and Morphle?
Sure. Morb into a... Morb.
I think she means morph.
Yes. Morb into a Tenchi.
Okay.
No, I meant a pterodactyl.
Oh, my cake! My beautiful cake! I'll just have to make another one.
Don't worry, Mr. Vanderboos. We will bring Barky back. Barky! There he is! Oh, a car! It's Morbid time! Morb into a Oh, I was going to say trug. You know, beep, beep, trug.
Mila?
Come on, Morble. We need to find Barky.
Who Mila talk to?
Huh? Oh, there you are, Morble. Where's Barky?
Bridge!
After him! Barky, hang on! Quick, morph into a dolphin!
Huh?
Oh, a dolphin! You know,
Oh!
gotcha! Let's get you back to Mr. Vanderboos.
Thanks for saving Barky, Mila and Morphle. Let's get you home, my little fur ball.
Come on, Morble. Let's see who else needs help. Morbid to
I think that's enough adventure for one day, Mila. You need some sleep.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Wow! That star flew super fast across the sky.
That's a shooting star. Take a look.
Wow!
If you wish on a shooting star, the wish will come true.
Shooting stars make wishes come true?
Or forget star, make wishes.
Let's go somewhere higher up so we can see the shooting star better. Like on top of a mountain.
Morphle, morph into a super suit.
Morphle! Morph, morph! Morphle, go faster! Get Star first!
Morphle, morph a jetpack onto the super suit.
Morphle, take shortcut!
Orphal's going the wrong way.
Morphle win! Woo!
That mountain is a volcano. You need to get off it now.
Morphle catch Star! Get wishes forever and ever!
Orphle! No! We've got you, Orphle.
Morphle wanted to catch Star!
Stars are a lot farther away than they look. I think we should all make a wish together.
Together?
Morphle, morph into a magic flying house.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Oh, look at that star. And that one.
Morphle, get Star!
Orphle, you caught a star.
Wow! All make wishes?
Yes! Let's do it. Morphle, Orphle, close your eyes and make a wish. I wish every day was a magical day with Magic Pets. We learned about fire safety in school today, Morphle.
Ooh, fun!
Good thinking, Morphle. Now we're ready if there ever is a fire.
Smoke!
Morphle, I know how we can put out the fire. Mr. Vanderboos, are you okay? Morphle and I saw smoke.
I was just trying to barbecue.
Oh, we're sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. You know what they say, safety first.
Yeah, and hungry second.
Be on the lookout in case anyone else needs our help, Morphle.
Okay. Huh?
I smell smoke! There! Morphle, we're gonna need a big fire truck to fight this fire.
Okay, Mila!
This way, Morphle! Let's use your fire hose and put it out. Mr. Vanderboos, what are you doing here?
Can't a guy barbecue anywhere in peace?
Oh no! Oops. But it's better to be safe than sorry.
I am safe. At long last. No one can bother us here. Let the barbecuing begin. Fire! 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 Oh!
It's a real fire this time!
Oh!
Mila, Morphle, boy, am I glad to see you.
Barky! Somebody save Barky!
Morphle, morph into a dump truck. That's how we'll put the fire out. Quick, scoop up lots of sand.
Ha, good thinking, Mila.
Now dump it on the fire.
job, Mila and Morphle.
Thank you, Firefighter Stacy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Okay. Here you go. Good gobble frog. Good gobble frog. Huh? Still hungry? But you've eaten all the snacks!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Mila. Gobble frog is hungry, and we've run out of food. We need food, and we need it now.
How about a pizza?
One pizza coming right up.
Hang in there, Daddy.
Hurry, Mila!
Excuse you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Morphle, morph into a pizza delivery van. Pizza, prepare to be gobbled. Aw, baby piggies. Wait, I know what you're doing. This is for Gobble Frog. Oh, no, you don't. We have to take this pizza to Daddy. It's an emergency.
Coffee and donuts are ready.
Now that's an emergency.
The pizza! Morphle, we need to get that pizza fast. Hi, Daddy.
Are you almost here with a pizza, Mila?
I've nearly got it. We'll be with you as soon as we can. Gotta go. Almost. Almost. Gotcha. Bring me up, Morphle. Whoa. Morphle, help. Great catching, Morphle. Now we need to get to Daddy. Morphle and some rocket boosters. Let's go! Yeehaw! Ah, Daddy!
Hi, Mila! Oh, am I glad to see you!
Yikes! Who wants some delicious pizza? Here, Gobble Frog, catch!
Phew! Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome, Daddy. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.